Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. In today's video, we'll try to look at this exam question. It was sent to me by one of my subscribers. So let's jump in it. The diagram below shows a speed time graph of a car. The car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at 2 meters per second squared for 40 seconds until it reaches a speed of 16 meters per second. It then travels at 16 meters per second for 40 seconds. This is very important. This, okay, this, and this, as well as this over here. So they are saying this the car started from here, it was at 0, it went up to here, 16, the time was t, okay? And they have given us the acceleration from here to here. What's the acceleration? It's 2 meters per second squared. So for us to find the value of t, we will use the formula, which is equal to acceleration is equal to final velocity, let me clean up, is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So what is our acceleration? From here to here, what's our acceleration? They have said it's 2 meters per second, which is equal to our final velocity here is 16 minus 0, which is our initial velocity, final initial velocity over t. We don't know the t, and is what we need to calculate. So we can cross multiply. 2 multiplied by t is 2t, which is equal to 16 minus 0. Okay, so this will be equal to 16 here. We divide by 2. By 2, we find that our t is equal to 2 into 16 is 8 seconds. So our t is 8 seconds over here. We have found the answer of t, or the value of t, the answer for question A. So we know that our t will be equal to 8 seconds. Okay. So we can go to our question B. They are saying distance traveled in the last 50 seconds. Okay, last 50 seconds. So in the question, they said when the car reached here, it traveled 40 seconds. So from here to here, it was 40 seconds. So what is supposed to be here? It's 48 seconds. Because from here to here, it's 8 seconds. And they said from here to here, it traveled 40 seconds. So it will be 8 plus 40, which is 48. And lastly, they've said after which it comes to rest in a further 10 seconds. So from here to here, it's 10 seconds. Here to here, it's 10 seconds. So what is here? This is 58, because 48 plus 10 is 58 seconds. All right, so now they are saying we calculate the distance in the last 50 seconds. So the first 8 seconds is up to here. From here to here, from here to here, it's the last 50 seconds, because it will be 58 minus 8. It will be last 50 seconds. So the distance, meaning we want the distance for this part over here. Okay? So whenever you've been asked to find the distance, what we do, we use the formula for the shape, finding area of the shape. So what is the area of this shape over here? It is a trapezium, and we know when we want to find area of the trapezium, this is the formula we use. Okay, so what is our A? We need to find our A. What is our A over here? Our A will be the difference from here to here. Remember, they said it's 40. If you want, you can just get the numbers which are down here. Say 48 minus 8, it will be 40. Plus, B is the distance from here to where it ends. So the distance from here to here is A, from here to here is B, which is 50 times the height. What is the height? From here to here is 16. So this is how it is. Okay. So the next thing will just be to work out stuff here. So let me just see where I'm supposed to end. Okay, I still have space. I still have space over here down. I wanted to check where I'm supposed to hit on the camera. Alright, so here we can say 2 into 16 is 8. 40 plus 50 is 90 times 8. The 8 which is here. So when you multiply, what is 40? What is 90 times 8? 9 times 0, 8 times 0 is 0. So you do this 90 times 8. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 9 is 720. So the distance in the last 50 seconds is 720 seconds. Meters. We're finding the distance, so it's supposed to be meters. Mr. Shola, come. Come and stand. Come and stand here. Mr. Shola, come. It's fine. Come. Alright, so okay, come. This is Mr. Shola. He's a music teacher. We teach at the same school. He's a music teacher. And I'm doing maths here. Okay, Mr. Shola. Thank you. He's the one who opened the door. Alright. Okay. So now here, since we found our distance to be 720 meters, which is our question B, we now jump to question C. So our question C, they are saying we find the speed of the car when time is equal to 53. So it's supposed to be, this is 48 and this is 50. So 53 must be somewhere here. So this is 53 seconds. So what you do here, when you want to find speed, we know that for 48 the speed is 16. Now 53, we don't know what is the speed. So this is what we are finding here. So we're finding here, for this one we know it's 16. But when it reached 53, what was the speed? We don't know. So what we normally do here, let me erase the questions here so that you can work out. This is very important. You need to know this. We use the idea of similarity. So you see, I've just gotten this part over here. It's here. This is what I've put here. So we know that here the distance we don't know. The speed we don't know. Here we know that it's 16. This one's 16. Here we know that it's 48. This one 53, and this one is 58. So we'll say there is this length here, the time. We're going to get the time here. So the time difference between 48 and 58 is 10 seconds. The time difference between this and this is 10 seconds. And the time difference between 53 and 58 is 5. This is the time difference between 53 and 58. Between 48 and 58 is 10. So now we say the idea of similarities. We say 16 over x, or if you want, you can say x. This x is for the smaller triangle. If you can see, we'll move with 5. And then 16 is for the bigger triangle. We'll move with 10. So now, if you have things like this, to find the value of x, you just say x over 16 is equal to 5 over 10. So x over 16 will be equal to 5 into 5, 1, 5 into 10, 2. So 1 over 2. So you can cross multiply to find x. So it will be 2x. X multiplied by 2 is 2x. 16 multiplied by 1, it will be 16. You divide by 2, you find that the value of x will be equal to 80. So our speed here is 8 meters per second. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I run a YouTube channel, a WhatsApp group where I offer online tuitions. So the number for my WhatsApp online tuitions is 0969175701. So if you want to join the group, you can send a message to this number, and then I tell you the conditions. Thank you.